Want to double your video view? It all started with a killer YouTube thumbnail or an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail. Stay tuned because I am about to reveal the secret to create a thumbnail that people cannot resist clicking on. Hello YouTube star, what's up and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Gani and this is Grow with Gani. In today's video, I am going to teach you the most important aspect of YouTube channel by creating an eye-catching thumbnails. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a way to refine or to revive your YouTube channel, I am going to walk you through everything you need to know to make your thumbnail stand out by using a free application called Keynote on your Mac. Let's get right into it. First step, choose the right dimension. YouTube recommend 1280 by 720 pixel for thumbnails. This ensure your thumbnails look sharp on any screen, whether on your phone, tablet or desktop, even on the television. When you get to your Keynote, okay, I will still go to do a series on how to use Keynote, so we are not going to that today. So when you get to your Keynote and you press on, you add a new, all those ones, okay, then what you are going to do is you come to this document here. You can see document, okay, document. You see this document, just type on this document, it will bring it out and you will see this wide screen 16 by 9. That is the normal size for YouTube. All YouTube is 16 by 9, so you don't need to stress yourself. It's there already on this Keynote, so you don't need to stress yourself. So what you are going to do is you set your canvas size. Is there already, okay? That is the thing. Set your canvas size to this, okay? So the next step is pick a high quality image. Pick an high quality image. Once you have an high quality image, and your thumbnail should visually represent your video content, okay? Choose an high quality image that is clear and relevant to the topic that you are treating, okay, that you are doing as at that time. So if you are in that video, like me that I'm in the video, it is good or it is advisable to use your own personal image. What you do is just take screenshots of yourself, or if you have already saved picture, you can just use it as well. Like me, I've already done that, so let me go and bring in that picture of myself. So I'll go to my media, I will choose file. When I get to file, I'll go to my download, okay? So because I want to bring out the image that I just that I screenshot that I have already, so I will insert it. So this is my image that I insert here, okay? I will just place it here. So I have my image already, so this is my image, okay? Okay, that is my image. So I brought in my image. In case you don't have your own image, and maybe, or in case your video is not about yourself, you are not the one talking, like a head talk video on the video, you can go to the site like on Splash, or use Pixel also to search for high quality stock images if you don't have your own. So that is just a tip, okay? So this is my video. See, it's very sharp and it is clean. That is how I create my own video. So what next is I'm going to put like me, I love to put a YouTube banner at the back of my video. I watch one video, Vibe with Sonia, and I love all her thumbnails, so I'm doing that also. But the YouTube banner at my back, and you will see how I'm going to do that as well, okay? So this is the YouTube that I normally use. The YouTube banner is the same size. So what I do, you can see that I have it on top of my video and I want it below. So I'll just drag it down. As you can see, I'll just drag it, you just drag it down under you. So this video, you can see this picture now. There is a background there which is white. One thing about this Keynote is you can remove your background as you want it. Easy. Just click on that picture and go to format. When you get to format, you will see image here. Click on this image and click on remove background. You see, and click on done. I don't need to pay to do all this. I just love this, okay? I just love this. And then I can resize this YouTube YouTube this logo if I want. Okay, if I don't want it to be too big, I can resize it as well. So I'm doing it from scratch. YouTube. So now I have this already. So what am I going to do? I go to text because I want to write on it. So I'm first of all going to bring out a shape. I go to shape, rounded shape. You can see it because I want to write on it. Or let me go to text first, write what I want to write. You click, I go to text here, bar, I tap on it. Okay, so what am I go to text? You can see here there is a text also want to write. So let me write what I want to put there. Just a short word, is not too long, something that is so quick, comma, easy, and then and free YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to make this one. I'm going to increase the size. You can see here there is way to increase the size. Okay, I can bold it as well. So you make it bold. Let something that people can read. The way they will just see your thumbnail like this, they can read it immediately. It will be easy for you for them to read. So click on it, increase the size very well, make it bigger. Okay, quick, easy, and free YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to hit text again, and under here I'm going to put thumbnails there. Thumbnails. Okay, so the same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to increase the size. I'm going to increase the size so that it will be easy to see. Okay, so it will be here. Quick and easy thumbnail. You can use whatever size that suits you. It's you that you are creating it. In this one I'm going to put a background under it because I love background. I love to put background under it, so I want to make it to be its size. It's the same, almost the same size. And I like this rounded background. Then I will change the color. If you want to change color, you go to style here and you click on this place. You change. I love this style, and you can see it is on top of my text. So I'm going to come back here. This place is called object list. Okay, object list. So I bring it under it by myself here. So I change this thumbnails to this color is too dark for me, so I can go back again and change it to make it lighter. Okay, yeah. So or I can reduce the opacity here. If you can, there is a place to reduce on opacity here, down here. So reduce it. You can do, but I don't want to reduce it. I leave it at 100% as well. So I move it up so that I can be closer. No, I don't want to be closer to too much to YouTube. So I'm going to back to the text. I'm going to bold this text again. Okay, once I bold it, I stretch this as well. Okay, I stretch this. I can group it if I want. So I have to check the two. There is a group here. I will teach all these steps one by one after how to use this keynote, because it's just free and then it's something that you can do very fast. So this is quick, easy, and free YouTube thumbnails. So I want to just try to adjust that one, so you can play around it to learn how we want to do it. Okay, so voila, that is my thumbnail. So what my thing is, your text overlay should show, you should show what your video is all about. Okay, easy, bold, use font that is easy to read. Okay, not more than too much word on the screen. Okay, and then make sure that your background stands out. I love this white background. I don't know about you, but I love this white background. I also advise us that we should use a bright color. Okay, high contrast color. That is step 4. Use a bright color. Okay, so use bright color. So I put everything together. And also make sure that your color match your brand. This is my color of this brand. If you check my YouTube banner, this is what I have there also. So this is what I'm going to base my brand upon. Okay, so it's easy and it is something that is direct to use. Okay, so and this is all. This picture here, you can decide to add an what they call it, a line border. How to hide it there? I can hide the line. Just come to this side and click on lane here. You see, it will give me a lane on my. You can decide to change the color to the one you want, whether white, which I will not put white because I have white already. I can put gray. I can put any color because I want it to match each other. So you can see how easy is this thumbnail to make. Okay, so and that is how to make a simple. So the next thing that you are going to do is you need to just save this. Everything is perfect. This is what I want. And then I go to file here. I come to export. I'm going to export it as an image. Okay, so what am I going to do? I click on from, because I only want to save this number 2 alone. So I click on 2, and then I click on save. So it will ask me where did I want to save it. Normally I save it everything in my folder. I try to organize my folder, as I said, so that when I want to upload video, I will not be looking for it every corner, every angle. So I go to my thumbnail folder here. I go to my Grow with Gani. Then I save it inside here. Okay, which is export. I'm exporting it here. So that is it. And here you have it. With this tip, you'll be creating a thumbnail that's not only looking good, but also drive traffic to your YouTube videos. If you find this video useful, make sure you hit the likes button, subscribe to the channel for more tips, and drop your comment below. If you have any question or there is anything else you want to learn, if not, watch the next video on your screen that will be telling you where I will be showing you how to create a simple and attractive YouTube banner. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.